Hey guys, guess what? As you see in the picture, free gifts and free IPL tickets are available on Swiggy. Pretty interested about this offer? Let's go check it out. As you see in the picture, you can go to Swiggy app. You can click on food delivery. This offer would be available during match hours. Let me tell you, this kind of page appears before you. You can click on 60% off icon or smashing offers. Once you click on that, you will see here Swiggy 6's offer. You can click on Swiggy 6's offer. Once you click on that, you will see flat 200 off plus IPL free tickets banner. You can click on that. Once you click, you will see a free item appearing before you. So this free item is ball or bat signed by RCB, the IPL team. You can avail this offer by adding to the cart or placing order of value 999. Here you can see you can add to the cart free IPL tickets. It's 25 rupees. You can add to the cart and you can add other topics as shown in the picture, or else you can go down and check out your favorite items and add to the cart as shown in the picture. And once you add all the items to the cart, you can go to view cart. Instant 50 off is available and you can see free 2 gifts are added to the cart, and one among them is RCB ball bat being signed. And you can go to coupons and apply the coupon as buy one get one free as well, and then check out. That's it, done, and give it a shot, right? Hello, namaste, how are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One, welcomes you all to watch very good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, burgers and hot dogs are available from 59 rupees. You can check out during match hours, wherein the deals would unlock. In the previous video, I have shown already how you can unlock deals at 66% off. As you see in the picture, it's a chicken burger. You will love it. You can enjoy taste plus health as well, because the protein is in the burger, right? Okay, besides that, you can enjoy free items or free gifts from different restaurants during match hours. Here you can see hot dog. When we ordered hot dog and burger, we got a free gift. In few moments, we'll go check it out. As you see here, it tastes pretty delicious, right? While looking, of course. Anyways, you can have a bite and taste it with the exciting offers on Swiggy at 66% off during match hours, or a coupon would be unlocked when a sixer is hit by batsman, right? Which I have showed in the previous video. You go check it out, the previous video. Now we'll see what's the free gift I have got. Here, when we ordered burger and hot dog, we got free gift, the favorite crunchy chips. As you all know, who would not love to have these to complete a meal, right? Now it's time, we'll check out the IPL coupon. As you see in the picture, you can go to Swiggy app. Right on the home screen, you will see food delivery. You can click on 66% off banner and you will see the free tickets offer, as I've told in the beginning itself. And you have deals starting from 59 rupees. Some may start from 29 also as well. You can add to the cart and go to cart and apply the coupon here as flat deal or 200 not out to avail free item or free gift. That's it. You can enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.